Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is Cocktail Time with Jamie on Monday. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Hope you got out for a little bit, went for a walk or a hike, got some vitamin D. I did. I went out for a walk today. It was beautiful. The sun was shining. And I think it was warmer today than it was expected to be. So hopefully we'll get some warmer weather. Luckily we had no snow, which is great. Happy November 1st to everybody. Happy birthday to Patrick. So if you see Patrick out there today, please wish him a happy birthday. He's off today, but today is his birthday. So happy birthday to Patrick. So this ends our birthday, our staff birthdays. We had 4 of them in a week. So today is the last of the birthdays for our staff until December. I think we have a couple of birthdays in December. And let's see, tonight is our cocktail dinner. We actually have quite a number of reservations for it. For being a last minute dinner that we put together, we have a nice crowd. So it is 4 cocktails, so 4 fall cocktails, and a dish for $29. It starts at 6:30. I do have a couple more seats available if anybody is interested in coming to that. That will be fun. We're doing all fall cocktails, so that will be great. Let me just take a minute to thank everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Ashanti, Brenda, Sean, Matthew. Thanks everybody for joining me today and spending a little bit of time with me this afternoon. I really, really appreciate it. I went out so I went to the gym with Courtney today, and it was so beautiful out that I decided I needed to go for a walk. So I did 2 miles. I did a 2-mile walk, and that was awesome. So I got a little bit of sun. I listened to a podcast, and the podcast that I'm listening to is really awesome, and the gentleman is talking about rituals and listening to podcasts and expanding your mind, expanding your brain, thinking outside the box, being innovative and creative. And I think that's one of the things that Marcus and I were able to do, through the pandemic, which is hence why I do Facebook Lives. I decided to start doing them back in March of 2020, and I have continued them. And I try to do one every day of the week, but sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. I get busy, I get pulled in different directions. We're off on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so sometimes I'm here, sometimes I'm not. And Marcus and I have been spending a lot of time going to local wineries and distilleries and cider houses. We've been spending time going out and researching the area. I gotta tell you, there's some amazing things popping up in our area. If you are ever in need of a driver, please give us a call. We can provide a driver, drives your car, takes you around, and you get there safely, and they drive you, they pick you up, drive your car, go around and drop you back off home so that you're not drinking and driving. So if anybody needs that service, please give us a call. Courtney is in charge of that, and we'd love to provide a driver for you. Holidays are coming, wineries are having special events, all that kind of stuff. So thanks. There's a few more people joining, so hello, Lori. And I appreciate you watching me. So we ran out of our $9.99 special this week. We were doing a maitake mushroom pasta. So we ran out of that. So today would have been the last day. So we are extending yesterday's $9.99 special, which is a shrimp scampi. So we're doing that tonight as well. So we'll be doing our shrimp scampi this evening, $9.99 to go. Let's see, what else do we have going on here at Aroma Time? Thanksgiving is coming. We are doing takeout only, so you can pre-order your Thanksgiving meal. It's $35 a person, and you can pre-order that, 647-3000. We are doing inside dining this evening, and that's it. So on to my drink of the day. It's called Violette Femme. I got this from Finger Lakes Distilling. So we are going to the Finger Lakes this weekend for our Finger Lakes trip, and Finger Lakes Distilling comes and does our opening reception, makes cocktails for us in our suite on Friday night. And so I said, you know what, let's give a shout out to Finger Lakes Distilling and use one of their products tonight. So we're going to be using this Seneca Drums gin in my drink. So raspberry liqueur, violet, and orange bitters is what we'll be using today. So 2 ounces of gin, 2 ounces of gin, about a half an ounce of violet, a half an ounce of raspberry liqueur, creme de framboise, about a half an ounce. Couple of Hella, I'm using citrus, but you can use orange at home. I would say about 10 drops. And we're gonna shake that on up. And as you know me, I like my drinks on ice. Thanks for watching. Hello, Dawn. Hi, Dawn. Thank you. I appreciate it. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up so I know you're watching. And shake it on up. And there we have our Violette Femme cocktail. Let's go ahead and taste it and see how it is. Smells raspberry and violet. Oh, and that color is absolutely beautiful. Oh, that is really good. Wow, that is good. I love that color. That color is gorgeous, isn't it? I would put a little raspberry on top or blackberry or something to, doll it up a little bit. I don't have that here right now, but I appreciate everybody watching me. Thank you very much. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I should be on tomorrow. Wednesday, we might be live on location somewhere. We are going to visit definitely a winery or distillery on Wednesday. And that's it. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Cheers, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.